Welcome back to Roatan. I'm Sophia Fedio, and I'm your Roatan Realtor. Today we're located in the beautiful community of Palmetto Bay, and I'm going to showcase for you Casa Montana. This beautiful hilltop home sits on over 1.13 acres of land. You have stunning ocean views from every room. You have dual master suites, and this home is listed at $839,000. Let's check it out. The Palmetto Bay community offers 24-hour security, miles of white sand beaches, dock access, pool access, as well as there is an on-site restaurant, The Cove. Isn't it time you make the move to Roatan? Thanks for joining us and see you next time.